Hey guys, welcome back to JG Whips and welcome to the weekend. So all week, grinding hard, long week, lots of hours. Get to the weekend and unfortunately it's raining. It's raining again. This seems to be a pattern here in PA. You get nice days during the week and then the weekend comes and it rains. So that's what we're dealing with today, but that's okay. We're not gonna let that stop us. I am going to a car show. Rain, shine, whatever. We're going to a car show. So off I go to an event hosted by Girls and Gears, and this event is being held at PA Euros, which is a shop in Exton, Pennsylvania that specializes in European cars. So we're going to go to PA Euros and check it out. I've never been there, so I'm very excited to go to PA Euros for my first time. Having a BMW, I think it just makes sense that I go to a place like that and see what they're all about. Also, the Girls and Gears events are a charity event. It's there to support a good cause. This event is supporting an organization called Shine, and I will put a link to that organization down below so you can learn a little bit more about the mission of Shine. So looking forward to seeing some friends at the Girls and Gears event. And Girls and Gears is a group of female car enthusiasts. I think you can tell by the name. That's definitely appropriate for what they stand for and what they're all about. So this is exciting. We're off to go to the car show, and I'll share with you guys some videos from PA Euro, and enjoy. back in the car and we had a great time at PA Euros. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of these amazing cars that they have there. So clearly you can see all the Porsches, you know, something they specialize in. You can see all the Liqui Moly products, and you know, I actually, you know, got some Liqui Moly stickers. I use Liqui Moly in my car, so it was cool to be able to get some stickers. I got an air freshener that's Liqui Moly, so I'm representing. And then on the way home, I had to real quick stop by the beer store and get some beer. So I got some local PA craft beer. This one's from Tired Hands. So I'm excited to get into that later on today too. So great day, you know, making the most out of the weekend in the rain. Not gonna let it stop us, still gonna have a good time. You know, again, 5 days of work for 2 days of just, you know, some relief. Gonna make the best out of it, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe to follow along. And with that, have a great day. Cheers.